Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Jennifer Majebi. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you for stopping by today. So yes, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I do moisturize my hair. If you know that is why you click this video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Join the family and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's dive into today's video. So guys, the three products I'll be using today is honey, egg and olive oil. Olive oil is not a must. If you have olive oil, then no problem. For me, I love to add olive oil to my mixture. So guys, egg help your hair resist damage. Egg is good for your hair due to the combination of vitamin A and E, and it also make your hair grow stronger, thicker and healthier. And guys, olive oil is very good for your hair. It helps to promote your hair growth and strengthen your hair. So guys, honey is very good for your hair also. It reduces breakage. Using honey as a hair care ingredient can boost your hair growth. So guys, the first thing first, you need a plate and grab your egg. You break your egg inside your plates. For me, I added 2 spoons of olive oil. Original. And for the honey, I added 2 spoons of honey also. Now you can mix very well.
Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come on video.
So guys, this is my moisture. So because my hair is short, I cannot really divide it into 4 parts. I'll just use a time.
You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me. Hey.
So beauties, the next thing you'll be needing is a shower cap. You cover your hair for 30 to 40 minutes.
No. Original.
A few moments later.
So guys, when washing your hair, use hot water so you will not perceive the egg smell. For this, I use hot water and my shampoo.
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in me yard, let my give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding?
So beauty, this is the finished look. I just decided to create this hairstyle to keep my hair in check. And yeah, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.